Hello, this is a final video to clear up all confusion about whether Pixel 10 devices fully work with GrapheneOS. And if you've been wondering why some features don't behave as expected, you're not alone. Many people face issues because GrapheneOS is built with extra security layers that sometimes limit hardware functions by design. And while you might find tutorials online, most are messy, hard to follow, and full of technical jargon that slows you down. On Rexish, we discovered a simple trick that checks compatibility quickly and shows exactly what works and what doesn't without any complicated steps, letting you see your device's status in minutes. If you want, we can make a full step-by-step guide showing this trick in action. So leave a comment below and we'll break it all down for you.